Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today we're exploring eye health, clean eating, healthy choices, and mindfulness. These topics are crucial for maintaining well-being and living a vibrant, fulfilling life. In this video, we'll explore how diet and lifestyle choices can significantly impact eye health, overall health, and mental well-being. Our eyes are incredibly complex organs that play a vital role in our daily lives. Like the rest of our bodies, they require proper care and attention to function optimally. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods into your diet, such as leafy greens, colorful fruits, and omega-3 fatty acids, you can support your eye health and reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions. Additionally, adopting healthy lifestyle habits like wearing sunglasses outdoors, taking regular breaks from screens, and staying hydrated can further protect your eyes from potential damage. Clean eating is all about consuming whole, minimally processed foods rich in nutrients and free from artificial additives. By prioritizing fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, you can fuel your body with the essential vitamins and minerals it needs to thrive. Clean eating supports your physical health by boosting your immune system, promoting weight management, and enhancing your mental clarity and energy levels. Making conscious food choices can lead to long-term benefits for your overall well-being. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. However, taking the time to make healthy choices and practice mindfulness can profoundly impact your well-being. Remember, small changes in your daily routine can significantly improve your overall health and happiness. Did you know that what you eat can significantly impact the health of your eyes? In this segment, we'll explore the fascinating connection between diet and eye health, uncovering some amazing facts and tips to help you nourish your eyes from the inside out. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet is vital when supporting your eye health. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help protect your eyes from age-related conditions such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Additionally, fish high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are known to reduce inflammation and support overall eye health. Regularly including these foods in your meals gives your eyes the nourishment they need to function optimally. Antioxidants protect our cells, including those in our eyes, from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Lutein and zeaxanthin are two powerful antioxidants that are particularly beneficial for eye health. Found in foods like eggs, corn, and orange peppers, these compounds can help filter out harmful blue light, reduce the risk of eye diseases, and improve visual function. By incorporating lutein and zeaxanthin-rich foods into your diet, you can enhance the health and longevity of your eyes. Are you looking for delicious ways to boost your eye health through diet? Consider starting your day with a nutrient-packed smoothie featuring spinach, berries, and chia seeds. Try a colorful salad with mixed greens, avocado, and grilled salmon for essential nutrients for lunch or dinner. Snack on carrots with hummus or almonds for a quick and easy way to support your eye health throughout the day. Experiment with different recipes that incorporate various eye-friendly ingredients to keep your meals exciting and your eyes healthy. In a world filled with processed and convenience foods, clean eating has gained popularity for its focus on whole, unprocessed foods that nourish the body and support overall health. In this segment, we'll explore the principles of clean eating, its numerous benefits, and practical ways to incorporate this approach into your daily life for a healthier, more vibrant you. Clean eating is more than just a diet, a lifestyle centered around consuming foods in their most natural and unaltered state. This means prioritizing whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats while minimizing or avoiding processed foods, refined sugars, and artificial additives. Choosing nutrient-dense, minimally processed foods can fuel your body with the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to thrive and function optimally. Navigating the grocery store aisles can be overwhelming, especially when trying to make healthier food choices. When practicing clean eating, becoming a savvy label reader is essential. Look for products with short ingredient lists that contain recognizable whole food ingredients. Avoid foods with added sugars, artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives, as these can negatively affect your health. Opt for organic and locally sourced foods whenever possible to reduce pesticide exposure and support sustainable farming practices. Planning meals and snacks that align with clean eating principles can help you stay on track and make healthier daily choices. Start your day with a nourishing breakfast like overnight oats with fresh fruit or a veggie-packed omelet. For lunch and dinner, focus on incorporating a variety of colorful vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. Snack on raw nuts, seeds, Greek yogurt with berries, or veggie sticks with hummus for a satisfying and nutritious pick-me-up. Experiment with clean eating recipes and meal plans to discover new flavors and combinations that support your health and well-being. When leading a balanced and fulfilling life, making healthy choices extends beyond what you eat. In this segment, we'll explore the importance of holistic well-being and how factors like exercise, sleep, and stress management support your overall health and eye health. Physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and cardiovascular health and supports eye health. Regular exercise can improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of chronic conditions that can impact your eyes, such as diabetes and high blood pressure. Additionally, engaging in activities that promote eye muscle strength and flexibility, like eye exercises and focusing techniques, can help maintain optimal vision and prevent eye strain. By incorporating a mix of cardiovascular, strength training, and eye-specific exercises into your routine, you can support your overall health and the health of your eyes. Quality sleep is essential for your body to rest, repair, and recharge. During sleep, your body undergoes crucial processes that support brain function, immune health, and overall well-being. Adequate sleep is also vital for maintaining healthy eyesight, as it allows your eyes to rest and recover from the strain of daily activities like screen time and reading. Poor sleep can lead to eye fatigue, dryness, and irritation, and impact your mood, cognitive function, and productivity. By prioritizing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimizing your sleep environment, you can improve the quality and duration of your sleep for better overall health and eye health. Stress is a standard part of modern life, but chronic stress can have detrimental effects on your physical and mental health, including your eye health. Mindfulness techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and yoga can help manage stress, reduce anxiety, and improve overall well-being. By incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine, you can cultivate a sense of calm, clarity, and resilience that can benefit your eyes and overall health. Remember to take time for self-care, prioritize activities that bring you joy and relaxation, and seek support from loved ones or professionals when needed to manage stress and promote a healthy, balanced lifestyle effectively. Practicing mindfulness can be a powerful tool for promoting eye health and overall wellness in today's fast-paced world. In this segment, we'll delve into the benefits of mindfulness, including its positive effects on reducing eye strain, improving focus, and enhancing your well-being. We'll also explore various techniques and resources to help you incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine for a healthier, more balanced life. Mindfulness is being fully present and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Regarding eye health, mindfulness can help reduce eye strain caused by prolonged screen time, reading, or other visually demanding tasks. By practicing mindfulness techniques, you can relax your eye muscles, improve blood flow to the eyes, and reduce tension and fatigue. Additionally, mindfulness can enhance focus and concentration, allowing you to better engage with your surroundings and tasks while minimizing distractions. A mindful approach to daily activities can improve visual comfort, clarity, and overall eye health. Deep breathing and meditation are powerful mindfulness practices that can help you relax, reduce stress, and promote eye health. Deep breathing exercises involve taking slow, deep breaths to calm the mind and body, increase oxygen flow, and release tension. Meditation involves focusing on the present moment through guided visualization, body scans, or mindfulness of breath. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can create moments of calm and relaxation that benefit your eyes and overall well-being. Apps like Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer offer guided meditations, breathing exercises, and mindfulness practices tailored to your needs and preferences. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned practitioner, exploring different mindfulness resources can help you cultivate a sense of presence, peace, and clarity that can positively impact your eye health and overall wellness. Your eyes are precious organs that deserve care and attention, and by making conscious choices in your diet, lifestyle, and mindset, you can support your eye health and overall well-being in meaningful ways. We encourage you to take action. Start by incorporating more eye-friendly foods into your meals, practicing clean eating habits, making healthy choices in your daily routine, and exploring mindfulness exercises for relaxation and focus. Small changes can significantly improve your eye health and overall quality of life. If you found this video informative and helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more tips, insights, and resources on eye health, nutrition, and wellness. Remember to like and share this video with your friends and family who may benefit from this information. Engage with us in the comments section below and let us know your thoughts, questions, and experiences. Let's continue on the journey towards healthier eyes and a healthier you. Thank you for watching.